Hey guys, welcome to Payday Investment Ideas, your source for fast and easy loan advice. We know that, at times, life can get complicated and expensive. That's where we help you choose a variety of loan options to meet your needs and expectations. Are you looking for the best payday loan options available in 2023? With an ever-increasing number of lenders offering payday loans, it can be difficult to determine which is right for you. That's why it's essential to research the various options and carefully consider the pros and cons of each loan matching service before deciding. This video will provide an overview of the best payday loan matching services and advice, including the advantages and disadvantages of different loan types and tips on how to choose the best lender for your needs. We'll also discuss how to compare terms and conditions and ensure you're getting the best rates and terms possible. You can make the best decision for your financial future with the right advice. So, stay tuned to get a comprehensive overview of the best payday loans and make an informed decision. Let's get started. First, let's understand what are payday loans and how do they work. Payday loan is a short-term, small loan that you repay once you receive your next paycheck, typically 2 to 4 weeks after you take out the loan. Payday loans tend to have small loan limits, usually up to $500, and don't require a credit check. You can take out a payday loan online or at an in-person location if it's available in your state. For many payday loan lenders, there's no credit check involved. It's enticing for borrowers who don't have great credit or any credit and need cash fast. Once you complete an application, you'll write a post-dated check for the amount you borrow, including fees and interest, guaranteeing the lender gets paid by your next payday. If you can't afford to repay the loan by the due date, some lenders have an option to renew or roll over your plan to extend the due date, but this will result in additional fees and interest. Here are the top 5 best payday loans matching services that you can choose from if you are in the United States. Number 1. Viva Payday Loans. Viva Payday Loans is known for its fast turnaround time, providing access to lenders that offer the best payday loans in the shortest time possible. Once the loan is approved, funds are paid to the borrower within an hour. To be a successful applicant, you must meet the above loan criteria and pass the affordability checks. Interest rates range from 5.99% to 35.99%, depending on the lender. You can visit Viva Payday Loans and request funds online with same-day decisions. The link to this loan broker is in the description box below. Other than this, loan matching services have some pros and cons that everybody should know that. Let's discuss the pros first. Number 1. The terms of the repayment range from 2 to 24 months. Number 2. You can loan values up to $5,000. Number 3. Viva Payday Loans has fast payments within 60 minutes of loan approval. Now let's discuss the cons. There's actually one con, and that is the high interest rates of up to 35.99%. Number 2. Hard paydays. Borrowers with poor FICO scores or no credit history can apply for the best online payday loans for bad credit via the Hard Paydays portal and still stand a chance of getting the cash they need if they are currently in a good financial position. When using this loan finder service, borrowers are guaranteed to be linked with lenders most likely to view their financial circumstances favorably. Loan amounts range between $100 to $5,000 with APRs of 5.99% to 35.99% and 2 to 24 months to pay. As discussed for Viva Payday Loans, hard paydays also have few pros and cons. Number 1. They have very simple eligibility requirements. Number 2. Request for feedback nearly instantaneously, within 2 minutes. Number 3. They have flexible repayment terms. These were some of the pros and have one common con similar as Viva Payday Loans, and that is interest rates of up to 35.99%. The link to Hard Paydays loan broker is in the description box below. Number 3. Big Buck Loans. For unemployed, self-employed, or freelance borrowers, instant payday loans online guaranteed approval alternatives are a sought-after form of finance because, historically, payslips have been required to qualify for a loan. Nowadays, with the help of loan finders such as Big Buck Loans, you can connect with lenders offering access to guaranteed approval alternatives, even if you don't hold formal employment. Of course, you must provide evidence you earn $1,000 per month via other means, such as your last tax returns or bank statements. The description box below includes a link to Big Buck Loans broker. Here are the pros and cons of Big Buck Loans. Number 1. Big Buck Loans is straightforward web-based platform. Number 2. They have flexible loan options and reasonable terms. Number 3. No payslip needed and low APRs. However, there are again few cons of using Big Buck Loans. Not all applications are guaranteed approval, and interest rates of up to 35.99%. Number 4. Green Dollar Loans. Green Dollar Loans catches RI for easy online payday loan applications and quick payouts. The Green Dollar Loans application process ensures that all borrowers get access to genuinely quick payday loans online. Through their website, you can apply for online payday loans same day of between $100 and $5,000 with a repayment term of up to 24 months. It is free to use, and there is absolutely no obligation to accept any loans offered to you. Interest at Green Dollar Loans is pretty standard at no more than 35.99%. Now let's see what the eligibility requirements for getting payday loans from Green Dollar Loans are. Number 1. The applicant must be older than 18. Number 2. The minimum required income is $1,000 per month. Number 3. The applicant must reside in the United States and provide a U.S. residential address. And here we are at the very end with number 5. Low credit finance. Low credit finance has some pretty impressive features regarding its easy-to-use system and fast processing of payday loans online, no credit check instant approval alternatives. In addition, lenders on the low credit finance panel offer a wide selection of loans designed to suit every borrower's pocket. Payday Loans Online no credit check instant approval alternatives via low credit finance start at $100 up to $5,000, with competitive APRs starting at 5.99%. However, these can be as high as 35.99%. Now let's look at who can get a payday loan from low credit finance and what they need to do. Applicants should have a minimum $250 weekly income, a legal U.S. address, and no minors are allowed. You can check out the low credit finance and other loan matching sites link in the description box below and can apply today for a same-day decision. Also, you need to note that the loan matching services mentioned above won't check your credit, but lenders who are part of their panel may do so if you give them permission. The loan websites we looked at were not direct lenders. Instead, they were services that matched people looking for loans with lenders. So, at last, payday loans are an excellent choice for those in need of a financial emergency. However, loans aren't guaranteed when requested and are subject to further checks by the lender. However, it must be said that no matter which loan finder you choose from the above-mentioned list in this review, you are bound to receive excellent service. We hope you liked this video. Please let us know in the comments section below which loan matching service you find most interesting and helpful.